Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enable Einstein Copilot in Salesforce. All right. First up, just go ahead and log into your Salesforce account. Now, once you're in here, click on this cogwheel besides your notification area right here. Click on it. Go ahead and click on Open Advanced Setup. Click on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, you're going to want to go to the quick find function right here. Click on it. Now type in Einstein. All right, as you can see, there are a ton of options right here. For this example, I'm just going to show you how to enable Einstein Generative AI. All right, I'm going to click on Einstein Setup right here. Now, once it loads, as you can see, it says here, turn on Einstein. Enhance your Salesforce data with generative AI to create relevant, customized experience for users. Go ahead and enable this one. And all of these tabs right here or sliders will be available as well. If you want to turn on global language support for Prompt Builder, just go ahead and do so. And deploy prompt templates, go ahead and turn this on. Now, as you can see here, I'm just going to show you a quick peek. We have Einstein AI right here, Einstein Sales, Einstein Capture, the search as well, marketing, as you can see, and the bots assessor. Right here, if you want to set it up, just go ahead and click on Setup right here. All right, going back, as you can see here, here is the estimated bots return of investment. All right, if you want to, you can go ahead and read through this. We have the Cloud Einstein Assessor as well, and the Service Cloud. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.